When is the best time to dig? When the ball is far from us and close to the ground. Common mistake. If the ball is close to the ground but you can receive it with bump or overhead pass with one step, do not dive. 1. The first step to dig is to take a step. It's important to take a step because if you don't do that, it will cause bad injuries. 2. The second step is going down. 3. The third step is forming the bump position. The forearm should be inside our body. Not in front of the knee, because the first place that fall to the ground is the knee. 4. Hands under the ball and bump. 5. After bump, hands fall to the ground. 6. Push yourself forward with your hands and feet.